I'm Anton Grimes. I'm an industrial designer at the University of New South Wales, and this is my final design project, the Link scooter system. The original idea was to produce both a scooter and a hub, so two independent objects that work together as a system. But then the sort of leap of logic was, why develop every single component? Why not simply use existing infrastructure? The scooter itself is a rather lightweight, simple, very robust electric scooter. So it's 100 watts power, so it doesn't require registration, and it's just a single person use with a foot pedal control to go forwards or to brake. To make it to the finals of the Dyson Award is pretty significant. I entered that along with 90 other students, and I've now made it down to the final 13 along with another 4 students from New South Wales. Okay, so the way the system works is that the users are issued with a card, which they press up against the interface, at which point it brings up a screen. They select which one of the 3 scooters they want to use. They touch it, it pops out, at which point they fold up the scooter and assemble it using that release mechanism here. They can then ride it to the next destination, at which point they see another hub and they can return it by just clipping it straight back into the unit where it's recharged for the next user. This project right now is really still a student concept idea. It does have a lot of things that need to be resolved about the way it's used and particularly legal requirements to make it production ready. But I have had a lot of interest from overseas and just from online blogs as well, people discussing the idea and how they'd like to see it and what changes they think are necessary. So it's been good to see a lot of feedback internationally as well about how they'd see it sitting in a different environment that's not Sydney. Single biggest challenge of the project, I think it was probably in getting it to fit and suit an already existing system, so getting my design to work with what was already on the streets. Okay, so a key part of this project was also looking at the need for independent movement when people needed it. So imagine being able to hire a scooter from a pole like this and not have to wait on buses or timetables, and simply take it, ride it to the destination, return it to any other pole, dock it, recharge it, and then it's ready for the next user.